Okay, this is Brother Jensen, and I want to show you how to create a video note within the discussion board. So in the discussion board, I'm going to start a new thread right there. And you can type, here's my thread, well, whatever the subject is. And down in the body of the discussion board, here's where you'd normally type stuff, but in addition to typing, or instead of typing, you can go to this button right here that says Insert Stuff. Insert Stuff. Click on that, and then scroll down. Gotta expand the screen a little bit here. Scroll down to where it says, well, you don't have to scroll down, it's almost at the top. Where it says Video Note, click on Video Note. And here I am. Oh, need to put on my glasses. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to now, when I've got my camera ready to go, I click on this button, New Recording, and it starts recording, and I start talking, and it does its stuff. And then when I'm done, I stop recording. And by the way, there's a 3-minute limit on this, so you have to be done within 3 minutes. When you're done recording, you stop the recording, and it starts recording, and I start talking. And then you can listen to what you said. And then when I'm done, I stop recording. And by the way, there's a 3-minute limit on this, so you have to be done within 3 minutes. Or you don't have to listen to it. When you're done recording, you can listen to it, or you don't have to, but when you're ready, you can say next and give it a title, showing how to insert video note, and then say next, and then finally you say insert. And that will do it for you. So I challenge you to do this. It's going to be a little difficult and scary. I hope you have a camcorder so you can do this. So give it a try. I will see you later.